Important matter for RRB steno skill test. Speed 80 WPM. Be ready. 5 seconds. Automatic coach washing plants will be commissioned in major coaching depots with a holding of more than 500 coaches for improved cleaning with reduced water consumption. Further 32 stations and 10 coaching depots have been identified for installation of water cycling plants in the coming years. It is proposed to convert all production units as well as at least one workshop in each zonal railway as green industrial unit by obtaining relevant certification, good energy management, sourcing energy from renewables, water conservation, improved green cover and environment friendly management of waste. In order to encourage active involvement by various railway establishments towards environmental initiatives, we have instituted a shield on environment for the best performing zonal railway or production unit. Tourism holds great potential for economic development and job creation. We will partnering with the state governments for operating tourist circuit trains and explore the possibility of a revenue sharing model. We have recently upgraded our National Rail Museum. Promotion of tourism through railway museums and UNESCO World Heritage Railways will be our special focus. India's rich biodiversity and wildlife is one of the mainstays of Incredible India campaign. Last year, we initiated a project to target reduction in elephant collisions, especially in northeastern states. Madam Speaker, the railway setup is a reflection of everything that is India. It imbibes the ethos, morals, values, and ethics of our great country. It represents the tireless spirit, eternal hope, aspirations, perseverance, determination, and the never ending enthusiasm of our dynamic country. Whoever said that in India railways is a way of life could not have been more appropriate. Madam Speaker, I began my speech by stating that we had set out on a journey last year, the journey of transforming Bharatiya Rail. We have achieved significant progress in all aspects of this transformation from scale to speed, from cleanliness to efficiency to resource mobilization. We still have a long way to go, but the important thing is that we have a strong intent and the will to achieve our objectives. Even as our journey continues, I am reminded of Gautam Buddha who said that whenever one contemplates a journey, there are two mistakes one can make: not starting and not going all the way. We have already started the journey and I intend to go all the way, and we will not rest till we take Bhartiya Rail to a destination called Smriddhi or success. With these words, Madam Speaker, I commend the railway budget for 2016-17 to the August House.